Hey guys, and welcome back to a new video on this channel. I'm Szabi from CodeRevolution. So today I am back with a new update for the Newsomatic plugin. Today I am showing you guys what I have worked on this plugin recently, and let me jump straight into this. So this was a popular request from you guys. So you guys requested this feature from me, and here it is. I added to the plugin the ability to query content by country and by language for both top news to post and for custom news to post plugin menus. So if you go to settings of the plugin, you will see post country and post language for both custom news to post and also for top news to post. So if you recall, then the custom news to post plugin menu had only language filtering, while the top news to post plugin menu had only country filtering. So now both menus will have both. So it will have also country and language filtering for both menus. However, you have to keep in mind that if you want to use this feature, then you should select any here, because if you select a specific source, then the country and language filterings will not work because they don't make much sense. Because let's say I want to import content from CNN, but I want it in German, but CNN is only in English. So I want to say that if you select here any, then the language and country filtering will work. So let us see this in action. For example, custom news to post, let's select any, and until now I could select here only by language. Now let's select all languages, and instead let's go ahead and import from France, for example. Just one example post, and without the featured image, let's say, to make things happen faster. So now importing runs, and let us show our test site, and here it is. This is the post that was imported from our French site. So I had also a test post which should be deleted, so sorry for the test post, I deleted it. And now let's go ahead and delete things, and let's re-import content, and now only the French content should be shown on our site. So if we go to our main settings, so here it is, the post that was imported. Okay, and if we go to top news to post, for example, we can do similar things. Let's say let's import from health and medical, only one post, and this is the other plugin menu which contained only country filtering, and now we can also filter it by language. So let's select all for the country, and let's select let's say, I don't really know, something Russian, for example, or you can play with settings. Let's select German, for example. Okay, now save settings, and let's run importing. Importing is running, and let's check our site, and here it is, our German post from the category health and medical. Okay, so this is all for today's update. I hope you will enjoy the Newsomatic plugin. If you have more ideas that I should add to it, let me know, and I will consider them to be added to the future updates for the plugin. So this is all for this video. Thank you for watching until the end. Have a nice day. Stay safe. Bye bye.